Okay guys, so today I am going to be taking you along with me to do Christmas decor. So I'm going to be doing 2 houses today. Doing 2 houses today, my boyfriend's house and then my own. This morning we brought in our real tree that we had picked out and we had set it up, so we're just waiting for it to unthaw. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to be setting up my boyfriend's family tree. They have about like a 16 feet tree, but I'm so excited to do it. I do it every year, and then we're gonna just decorate the house, and I will also be sharing some ways to save along the way, because Christmas can get so expensive, especially being caught up in the decor, and some tricks and tips that I have to just tie in everything and make your Christmas just gorgeous when people walk into your house, even though this year maybe people can't walk into your house, but that's okay. Let's get this bread and enjoy our day. I was super serious about getting the bread.
Let it snow, let it snow.
So I have gotten a loaf of bread from Cobb's as well as some scones that we can enjoy before we get started on the Christmas tree.
Because nothing is worse than being hangry when decorating. So my first tip is enjoy a good lunch or breakfast and then get to what you need to do.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Trick that you can do to hide the balls instead of them hanging down, they can look like they're just placed right on the tree, is you take one of these wires and you add it onto the ball, and then you just stick it right into the, so that it is placed right on it. So quickly, I am just going to do a craft with these 2 jars from Costco. These were super cheap, like $30 for both of them. And then I'm going to show you what we can do with those.
So I just had a quick hot tub because I was feeling so cold. I thought I was going to go into like hypothermia. Okay, that was dramatic, but anyway, my mom just made me the best salad ever, and we both put on our like matching pajamas, and we're gonna decorate the tree right after this. morning time. We didn't end up doing our tree last night, but we're gonna do it this morning. So super excited, but first I'm gonna show you guys a really quick craft that I was talking about last night. And it's super easy. So I had bought this fake snow last year from Michael's. And then I bought two different kinds. So one is the glitter, and then one is just the plain snow. And just mix the two together. Small house. It's super cute. And also, you can also light it up, but it's really hard to turn on. So I'm not gonna turn it on. But so this little guy I bought a few years ago for like $30 for two of them off Kijiji, and I think it's time for a change. I'm loving the way that the fake snow looks, so I went and I picked up some fake snow from Michael's for like $7, so super cheap. And instead of buying a whole new $55 tree, I'm going to make this little 4-foot tree into what I envision. So we're gonna take off all these ornaments, we're gonna do a whole new tree this year, but I can't wait to show you guys how it goes. So I'm super happy how that turned out. So I'm just going to let that dry now, and then I'll take it inside and I will decorate it. So the room turned out to be totally so cute. We're gonna add a little bit something extra into the tree because we feel like it's just missing something, but I am loving how it's coming along. We sprayed it with the fake snow also. And then over here, we just hung a little wreath from IKEA, and then we have these guys right here all set up, and we also have my small little Christmas tree just here in the corner. And, I totally have changed it since last year.